Hello everybody, welcome back. This is Adam Ruski, Solomon in from Extended Martial Arts Academy. Today, everybody, I'm going to show a block and 2 strikes. Before I go into that, guys, I want everybody to make sure that they remember our number 1 rule. Okay, it's really important, guys. Make sure that you guys keep your hands, okay, and your feet, okay, to yourselves. Okay, all my students kind of know what that means, but for other people that are viewing in that don't, what I'm trying to say, guys, is, you know what, don't go with the things I'm showing and teaching and start kicking and hitting your brother, your sister. When we go back to school, you know, don't start showing other people moves. You might think you're showing them something, helping them, but you know what, you might wind up hurting them or hurting yourself. Okay, and also, you know, you might possibly really be teaching them to move wrong. You know what, invite them down to class. You know, let them learn the same way you learn. Okay, let them, you know, put the work in like you guys do. All right, excellent. Good, so from right here, guys, straight over today. Good, I'm going to back up a little bit because I need a little bit of room for these moves. Good, from right here, hands up, roll them down, tight fist, cheeky stance. Okay, sit up, fight stand, toes, chill. You guys, first thing I'm going to do from right here is I'm just going to do a middle knife hand block. So both hands, okay, come out, thumb gets tucked in, okay, so knife hand. I like to curl my fingers a little bit, I feel like they get a little bit tighter. I'm going to hit with the blade edge of my hand, okay, this is going to be a block. So from right here, hands go to the inside, hand blocking is always on the inside. I slide, and I slide on a half step, okay, just like a curve, kind of half a moon. And from right here, I use my back muscles, okay, not just my arms, I use my back muscles actually even more. Okay, I just kind of pull it back, okay, and I block. And once again, hands blocking, to the inside, okay, I go on a half of a crescent, okay, half a moon, and then I pull right back, kill, block. Now, also as I back up, okay, I'm going to cross my hands again, obviously this hand's going to block, slide backwards, okay, on that half crescent, step, lean back, take 1, okay, enough room, okay, from right here, guys, I'm going to cross again, I'm going to slide back again, okay, kill, okay, middle knife hand block is what we just did. Okay, so guys, make sure you practice that back and forth, that's the block. You know, for my adults, you know, I always call it a block, but really, everything that I do when I call it a block, it's actually a strike. Okay, really, if somebody throws something at me, this and that, you know, I come in hard, okay, you know, if I break that wrist or break something, you know, I ain't blocked it. Okay, if the foot comes at me, I come down with the bottom mechanics, I'm really hard, I can train with a tight fist pull, okay, you know what, and I hit that leg or that ankle, you know what, and they hobbling on it, I blocked it, okay, I blocked it. So keep that in mind when you're trying to block something. It's also can be used as a strike. Okay, cool, from right here, guys, find hands up, I'm going to do a knife hand strike now. This usually goes to the side of the neck, but obviously you can have it go anywhere. So from right here, guys, I'm also still going to do that half a crescent, okay, with a moon. From right here, guys, I just open up the backhand, okay, same thing, make it a knife hand, go to the inside, I slide into my back stance, pull my back muscles, and as I come in, I'm going to go a little slower. Notice how the hand isn't even turned yet. Right now, I'm starting to kind of turn, rotate that hand, so as soon as I hit the side of that neck, okay, that hand kind of just turns, and it adds a little extra power, a little extra momentum. From right here, back, front hand, okay, comes a fist, back hand, here's my striking hand. I come in, into a back stance, I come right over, and once again, as I'm coming down, okay, the hand has to come, no, I'm not coming straight out, look, it doesn't even look like there's any power. Even when I go slower, I look like I'm having more power with my hand this way. And then I start turning, as soon as I come in, I turn it right to the neck. Now I'm going to do a defensive one, so from right here, fist, back hand becomes knife hand, okay, now I slide backwards, okay, and strike again. Now, when I said the first time, guys, you know, even when we're on the defense, in my school, you know what, we're always offensive. We're a big offensive school, but every once in a while, you know what, if we have to move back a little bit, well, you know what, I'll do a little defense, but I'm always going to put offense in there at the same time. So from right here, fist, okay, knife hand, I slide right back, come right in, okay, knife hand strike. Okay, my studio, you know, a lot of what we do, guys, is, you know, is offense, okay, because I believe in being forward, I believe in being confident, you know, and taking it to the person. Okay, respectfully, but I believe in taking it to them. You know, you have to in this world, make sure that you put yourself out there, make sure you're not afraid, make mistakes, don't be afraid to ask questions, you know, grow, learn, okay? Don't be the person in the back of the line, be the person in the front of the line. Okay, the next strike I want to show you guys is actually a real important strike for me. It's called a Ridgehand. It's really strong, it's powerful. Besides my hammer fist when I'm breaking, you know, bricks or boards, a Ridgehand, okay, would be another one. Every week I used to be in a contest for, you know, for a punching contest. We hit a kind of a bag, you know, say the numbers. Big guys come in 3 times my size. They come in with haymakers. Some guys, you know, would come in with a straight right, which is pretty good. Other people come in like with a hook. You know, but I come right in, it'd be so fast. I come in with a Ridgehand, and people thought I was coming in with an overhand right all the time. You know what? Right now is the first time I'm telling my secret. I would come in with a Ridgehand, and I win it every single week. They don't know a Ridgehand, okay, but now they know my secret if they're watching this. So from right here, guys, Ridgehand, once again, make it into a knife hand. But instead of hitting with the blade edge, okay, I'm hitting with the inside. This is on a downward angle. Okay, from right here, I'm kind of going toward the shoulder, okay, the collarbone, side of the neck. So from right here, I come right in, and I come up and over, and I come straight downward, okay? Put little body forward. It's a real the technique that I have to lean forward a little bit on, okay? And I follow through. This move is definitely one you gotta follow through on. From right here, once again, open it, curl my fingers. From right here, I kind of come on the outside, and I come right in, and I come, back up a little bit, because I'm getting out of zoom. Okay, from right here, I come straight down, okay, on the top of her neck. Okay, from right here, once again, knife hand, defensive. You better believe if I'm going defensive, if I have to block or move out of the way or something, I'm definitely throwing this ridge hand. So I step back, okay, and I come right downward, guys. Okay, once again, open it up, I step back, I come right downwards. Okay, this move from right here, guys, I'm gonna step in with it, okay, with full power. Okay, from right here, I'm gonna curve it, I'm gonna come right in. Kiss! I mean, that's why nobody knew what it was. They didn't see how my hand was. So when I ended, I came right back to a fist. From right here, down the backward, kiss! A lot of times this move too, if I move it around from right here, I'll throw it, because it's also a long punch. Sorry, I apologize. A long reach, off your back arm. You use your jab for long, but I'm using off my back because I'm leaning forward with this technique. So from right here, guys, I come right in, I come right over. Just come right over. So from right here, if somebody kind of threw a punch at me, all I would do is kind of just evade it, and come right over to the other side. Okay, it's a great technique. Make sure you practice that. You guys, I want to say thank you, and I really appreciate it. Make sure you guys press the like button, and it's real important, guys, that that you subscribe to the channel, Dragon Power 91. I enjoy doing these videos, guys. I want to keep making them, so keep sending me all those good comments that you guys are sending me, the different techniques, the moves you want to see. When we get back to the studio, I'll start showing you guys some more groundwork and things along those lines. But guys, stay strong, stay healthy. Okay? Thank you.